What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be installing reverse lights. So you can see I've got the booty up on this one. The ones that I actually found are these rigid ignite backup flush mount. Bam! Flush mount. And these are them. They're pretty badass. I've seen videos of other people using them and they're super bright. But along with that, I got the harness. Let's see, I found this on Amazon. This was a little expensive, but so was this. This is the 40192, and it comes with plenty of wiring. I'll show you guys right now. I started installing everything. I think online this was like 60-70 bucks, and these are on Amazon also, I believe, right now for 110, or at the time, this time, which is February 20th or something like that. But on Amazon, these are for 100 bucks. Unfortunately, I live in California and it's not letting me buy them online from Amazon. So I found somewhere that sold them. Then I just used my gift card from Christmas to get the wiring kit. And the cool thing about the wiring kit, it comes with everything, first of all. And I lost the switch. Where did I leave the switch? It's over here. Okay, so this switch will allow me to either turn the lights on whenever I want, keep them off, or I could put it in auto, and on auto, it'll come on in reverse. So it's not just directly wired to reverse all the time. So I could either have it on reverse automatically or not at all. But right now, I started the wiring. So what I did, as you can see right there, there's a little screw for the relay. Comes with the fuse mount, and the fuse is in there. This and this, along with that white one back there, and I think something else is supposed to connect to the switch. But obviously this is positive. Red is positive, black is negative. Cool thing is they split it for you already, so you don't have to drill a hole through the firewall. I'll be running it right where that harness is, so I just got to slide that wire through. And right here, I took off this panel, slid it under there. I probably should have cleaned that up before I started recording, but this is going all the way to there. Now from here, this wire is for your reverse light. So you just need one wire that connects to the actual light. And this is the harness for all the wires in the back. And I found that this second one, red with blue. Damn, my hands are dirty. Well, that is the one that leads to the reverse lights. I already used the little tester to make sure, but I don't know about you guys, but in order to get to the rubber grommet where these cross through, it's back here, and that's a big pain in the butt because I don't know where I'm going to be sticking the wires. Luckily, there was another grommet right there. You guys can't see. So now down here under my truck, I got the short wheelbase. I'm guessing long wheelbases, Monteros, are like this too. Very similar at least, but this is the rubber grommet where all the tail lights pass through There's another little one right there, and I'm using that to pass the wires through. Now it was a little plug. I just cut out the plug, and I'll be sliding that back when I'm done. But as far as that, that's just where I'm writing it. This came with some really nice plug terminals. Unfortunately, these lights don't come with the opposite side. So that was the female. This should have been the male. So I cut them right here. These are the really nice terminals. I wish it would have came with the male side, but I'll be using these, and I'll be using I got a liquid electrical tape. Well, that's what it's called. So I'll be sticking it in there. I'll be using dielectric grease in the terminals to try and keep it all waterproof, or at least as much as I can. So that is pretty much ready to go. What I did, because I have a custom bumper, that is 1/4 inch steel. It was a pain in the butt to cut through, but I already did it, repainted it, and I actually tapped into the steel so I could screw it directly in. And then this kit comes with everything you need to mount it, besides the male terminals that should have gone with that. And right here, nuts and bolts and stuff. And right here comes with the template. This is a 1 3/4 inch, 1 3/4 inch hole that you're gonna use to drill, and that will allow these to perfectly pass through, like so. So this is essentially how it will look. 1 3/4 hole. They slide in and out, no problem. So from here, luckily, it clears everything. And I kind of measured it out that way, so it fits perfect. Clears right there. I run the wire around wherever I need to run it. I'll probably pass it through the frame somewhere. But essentially, that is all I'll be doing. And I'll get back to you guys once it's actually in. As you could tell, I live in sunny California, so there's hardly any rust. This is all surface rust. Ooh-wee. Very old, dried up rubber though. So I'll show you guys how the lights look and everything once I'm done. And this is the end result. Everything's nicely tucked in. I followed the same path right here as the other wires. I use this protector all the way through to the back of this. Let's see. You can see it down here. No, from here. But from here you can. So I just tied up the extra stuff right here, passed it all the way through that way, out to the other side. And the cable from this one that it came with, it actually reaches up to maybe around here for mine. And so it's connected somewhere over here. Continues this way. Then it meets up with this one right here, same thing. Bundled everything up. Have it passing through where the other wire is. And right here is where this light plugs into. I might find something to cover all this, but this is the liquid electrical tape, and it's pretty awesome. I don't remember where I got it from, but probably a local hardware store. From there, it passes just the same path as the rest of the wiring, all the way over there until I hit the back of the seat right here. Put electrical tape right there, and it's pretty sturdy. That's the other rubber grommet. That's where the main one passes. This is where I passed mine, and I will show you where it goes. It goes right here. Now the reverse light wire is this red and blue. So this white cable is what came with the harness. But tap into the red and blue wire right here, and you'll be good. From here, tucked on my wiring under here. So all the wiring is essentially under here, behind the driver's seat. Yes, I got trash. And the wiring flows through here, under this plastic trim, to here, up to the relay. Then from here, all you need to do is power to the battery. I made it go through the firewall where this harness goes, and the ground is up there. And that is where your factory clutch pedal would go if you have a manual transmission. So that would be an easy place to do it. You have those two bolts if you don't. So all I did, I took a little bit of sandpaper, so you could see, scratched it up. That way it's touching metal to metal. And from there, I made the hole right here for this. This is the button that comes with it. It was a 3/8 hole right here. Let me see where the diagram is. So it comes with all the instructions and everything. Simple 4 wires you need to connect to here. So power, ground. The white one is for the reverse light. And this one, the blue one, I don't remember what it was for. But this is the instructions. Everything you need to know right here. So it's a pretty awesome kit with the wiring harness. Essentially, it's pretty expensive. Luckily, I had an Amazon card to buy this at least. Now from here, like I said, all you need to do is pass the wire through for 12 volt power. Red wire all the way over here. Got it connected. Yeah, you don't need to see that. But yeah, I just made sure this stayed tucked away over there. Now to test it.